As we know, Lord Shiva is so kind that he can bless to all. Then why can't he bless to you? He can also bless to you. Lord Shiva is very kind, very simple. He listens to everybody. He never ignores to anyone. Please believe in Lord Shiva and celebrate Shivratri with happiness, because Shivratri is the best festival of the world. Actually, Shivratri is the best festival of the universe. Then we should celebrate Shivratri with happiness, and we should also thank to Lord Shiva. We should be thankful to Lord Shiva, because Lord Shiva has given us birth from which we can remember to Lord Shiva. We can gain to Lord Shiva. Lord Shiva in you, within you, and Lord Shiva is also within me. Lord Shiva is not anywhere. Lord Shiva is everywhere. Lord Shiva is known Neelkant. Why? Why Lord Shiva is called Neelkant? Because he has taken poison and he holds poison on his thought, like this part of neck. That's why it is blue. This part of neck of Lord Shiva is blue. Why? Because he has taken poison. So you can understand who can take poison for others. He is the best in the universe. Because for other deities, for other god and goddess, Lord Shiva has taken poison. Can we do anything for others? No. Present time, mostly people are selfish. Mostly people are self-centered. But you can learn from Lord Shiva. Lord Shiva has sacrificed everything for others, for other deities. So we should learn from Lord Shiva what is the sacrification, how to sacrifice. We can learn from Lord Shiva, and Lord Shiva is my mentor. I can stoop to do everything for Lord Shiva because he is my mentor, he is my love, he is my beloved. Everything, whatever I want, I say to Lord Shiva, and he completes my all desires and good desires. He teaches me to do good deeds. Whatever good deeds I do in my life, it is blessing of Lord Shiva. Today I help two person. Why? Because I learned all these things from Lord Shiva. So on this occasion, on this Shivratri, keep chanting what? Om Shivaya Namah. Om Shivaya Namah. Like breath in, you can breath in and you can say Om. Then Shivaya Namah. Breath out, you can say Shivaya Namah. Om Shivaya Namah. Om Shivaya Namah. Then you will experience the best thing in your life. Lord Shiva is omnipresent. Whenever you remember to Lord Shiva, he will come to you. And it is a fact which I have observed in my life. Whenever I feel lonely in my life, then I remember to Lord Shiva. Because Lord Shiva is omnipresent, then he comes in my life anytime. Whenever I want, whenever I remember him from the bottom of my heart, he comes at a time. He never ignores to anyone. Lord Shiva never ignores to anyone. Lord Shiva loves to everybody. Lord Shiva adores to everybody. So you are also one of them. If you are a devotee of Lord Shiva, don't worry. Lord Shiva is always with you because Lord Shiva is omnipresent. Meditation. Who can do the meditation continuously? Lord Shiva can do the meditation continuously. If you want to meditate, because you know meditation is the best way to get out our problems. Meditation is the best way to get rid of all the anxiety, all the problems, or all the dilemmas. Then who can do the best meditation? Only Lord Shiva. Lord Shiva can do the best meditation. Then if we remember to Lord Shiva, then we can also do the best meditation. It is the magic of Lord Shiva only. as soon as you think you are weak, don't worry. Remember to Lord Shiva. Lord Shiva provides you energy, and by the energy of Lord Shiva, you can do everything in the best possible manner. That's why Lord Shiva is omnipotent. Lord Shiva is also omniscient. So what do you mean by omniscient? One who has knowledge of everything. He or she is called omniscient. Then Lord Shiva is omniscient. Whenever you want any kind of knowledge and you are not getting that knowledge, then you should remember to Lord Shiva. Lord Shiva will provide you that knowledge. Believe or not, it is reality. As soon as I don't get any knowledge which I want, I remember to Lord Shiva. Lord Shiva gives me that knowledge at a time. It's my own experience. So whenever you think that you don't have knowledge, whatever knowledge you want and whomever you want to give knowledge, first of all you should take knowledge from Lord Shiva, because Lord Shiva is omniscient. Lord Shiva has the power of the universe. That's why Lord Shiva is considered omnipotent. Lord Shiva is omnipotent. Whenever you think you are energyless, whenever you think you don't have energy, then you should remember to Lord Shiva. He will give you energy from which you can do everything. Whenever you go for any task, whatever you want to do, you should remember to Lord Shiva, because Lord Shiva is the energy. Lord Shiva is the sun. You know, the sun is the most powerful in the universe. The sun has the most energy of the universe. And who is the sun? The sun is Lord Shiva, because we can see sun. So sun is part of Lord Shiva. The sun is one of them, and sun is also created by Lord Shiva. In fact, sun is the part of Lord Shiva. Then whenever you want energy, whenever you think that you are energyless and you are not getting energy, don't worry. If you don't get energy from the material world, you can get energy from Lord Shiva. Okay, that's why Lord Shiva is called omnipotent. Every kind of energy, every kind of power Lord Shiva has. Lord Shiva contains. I remember to Lord Shiva. He appears in front of me. You can also observe, as soon as you remember to Lord Shiva, He will appear in front of you also. So please believe in Lord Shiva. He will come to you and He is still with you. What we need to believe only. If you believe, and there should not be any doubt. Like when you remember to Lord Shiva, there should not be any confusion in your mind, or there should not be any doubt in your mind, and Lord Shiva will appear before you. It is my own experience. That's why I am sharing on camera. Believe in Lord Shiva. He is omnipresent. He will come to you. As far as Lord Shiva is concerned, He is everything. If I tell you to my own experience, according to my own experience, I think Lord Shiva is everything. Whatever is present in the universe, everything is controlled by Lord Shiva. That's why Lord Shiva is everything. And if you want to get blessing of Lord Shiva, then you should take always name of Lord Shiva. How? You can take name of Lord Shiva by chanting. How can you chant? I am telling you. If you really want to improvement in your life, or if you really want to happiness in your life, then I will tell you one mantra. I will tell you one mantra which you can keep in your mind, and you should keep on chanting that mantra. So what is that mantra? Om Shivaya Namah. 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 If you take this mantra, if you keep on telling this mantra, then you will get energy in your life, as well as you will also get happiness in your life. Whenever you say Om Shivaya Namah. Om Shivaya Namah. Breath in. When you say Om, then Om Shivaya Namah. Om Shivaya Namah. Like when you take breath, then you can say Om. Then you take out your breath. When you breathe out, then you can say Shivaya Namah. In this way, you can take name of Lord Shiva, and Lord Shiva must be pleased with you. And it is a golden mantra to get Lord Shiva. Yes, what mantra I told you, this is the golden mantra to get Shiva. It is the purest mantra of the universe, because I keep on chanting this mantra. And why I am telling you this mantra? Because I feel Lord Shiva in me. You can also feel Lord Shiva in you if you keep on saying Om Shivaya Namah, Om Shivaya Namah, Om Shivaya Namah. It is the best mantra. You should keep on chanting this mantra on this good occasion. You know, today is Shivratri, and so many people worship to Lord Shiva. Then you can worship Lord Shiva internally also. Externally, like outer world, we can worship to Lord Shiva. Apart from outer world, we can also worship to Lord Shiva internally. Hey guys, Jai Hind. Guys, today's video is going to be very beneficial for all of you. Why? Because in this video we will discuss about the best topic of the world. Then you must be thinking, what is the best topic of the world? Then the best topic of the world is Lord Shiva. Today is Shivratri. Then on this occasion, first of all, I would like to wish all of you happy Shivratri. And on this day, we will talk about Lord Shiva. Who is Lord Shiva? And where does he live? And how can we get Lord Shiva in our life? All these things we will discuss in this video. So please don't go anywhere. Don't skip the video. Watch the video from the starting to the end. Look at. Then what is today's topic? Who is Lord Shiva? Then, because it is the purest mantra of the world. And I have already told you mantra. So please keep on chanting that mantra. And you tell me what was your experience. After chanting this mantra, please write down in comment box. And if I tell you who is Shiva, then Shiva is omnipresent. You know, as long as we are here, we should believe in Lord Shiva, because Lord Shiva is the best God of the universe. And what is the second point? Omnipotent. What do you mean the omnipotent? What do you mean the omnipotent? Omnipotent means every power. You know, Lord Shiva has divided his parts in universe. Lord Shiva has divided his parts in universe. So the contents. So whenever you feel weak, you think you are weak. As soon as you feel you are thin. Third, omniscient. Lord Shiva knows everything. Whatever is happening in the universe, everything is known by Lord Shiva. So Lord Shiva is not anything. Lord Shiva is everything. Lord Shiva is not omnipotent, and Lord Shiva is omnipotent. It means Lord Shiva is in from the down to the earth, from the pin to the point, from the point to the pin. You can get Lord Shiva. So believe in Lord Shiva, because Lord Shiva is very happy. Lord Shiva is the happiest in the universe. So if we get company of Lord Shiva, so why can't we be happy? If we get company of Lord Shiva, then we can also be happy like Lord Shiva. Lord Shiva is the best mediator, like you know. And Lord Shiva has also taken poison. You know, I can do everything for Lord Shiva. You will experience the best. Everything is going best. Whenever you remember Lord Shiva like this, you feel so calm, so cool. We become zero. Whenever we remember to Lord Shiva, like we are here, but we are with Lord Shiva. So that's the magic of Lord Shiva. So again, I would like to tell you, or I would like to wish Happy Shivratri to all of you and your family. That's it for today. Jai Hind.